Spin a disc.
What's good, family? How you guys doing? How you guys keeping? Welcome back to the Blessed Review, son. Trust you guys are doing okay. Now today, man, we got the boy Holy 10. He's back again, son. He's back again. I mean, Holy 10, man. There's never a dull moment with Holy 10 in these streets, man. You know, Holy 10 always got something going on, son. You know what I'm saying? Now today we got Holy 10, but apparently today he answers something very profound, son. Profound, man. Using them big words. Yeah, that's what we do. That's what we do nowadays, son. Anyway, I digress. You say something profound. Why Holy 10 is asked the question why Holy 10 keeps losing colleagues, keep losing friends. You know, the likes of Saint Flo, the likes of what's that boy's name? Michael Mags. You know what I'm saying? So hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's hear what Holy 10 has to say, and he also addresses some sentiments Saint Flo has been saying about him in these streets, son. You know what I'm saying? Remember to like, share, subscribe. I'm your boy Bliss, and I'm out.
Saint Flo is not in that top 3 list that you just gave me from the top of your head.
I don't know who Saint Flo is anymore. Like, I actually didn't think about him, to be honest. Like, I'm not trying to throw shade, but that's the honest truth. I'm really tired. I saw an interview where, I get it, we have to like have these PR and keep up appearances, but that's the reason why there's all these fake news moving. I saw the boy talking about how he's wearing good boots, how every time we see each other, he's good boots, what. Yeah, he's just waiting for me to call him and everything like that, but that's not the thing.
What's the story?
If we were still in good books, I would have been Gurora Wow. You know, I would have been there. Like, we were brothers at that level. At some point, it would have been a problem. So for a life decision as big as marriage, bro, and I'm not there, that should just tell you we're not in good books. All that we had, all that brotherhood and friendship that we had, I don't know where it went.
So how come you keep losing, brother?
Yeah, I was about to say, why do your brothers keep switching
how
up
come
on
you bring somebody, you tell us you're bringing Saint Flo, before Saint Flo blew,
Yeah.
he blows up and then he's out. Same with Michael Mags. You guys are brothers. Are you a difficult person to work with?
I believe I am a difficult person to work with because I want standards. I want standards. And the reason why I'm not going to be deep in this interview is it's not necessary. But believe me, if you really investigate as to why these boys left, you'll find out good. It's because I have standards.
Do you not think maybe you might be the problem? You might not know.
I'm not the problem.
Are you not big-headed? Are you not? Do you not want to be the main dude?
But I am not big.
Do you not want to be the man? And this is the problem that you're having with these youngsters when you start being the man.
Someone's gotta be the leader.
So are you comfortable with the mentor becoming the mentee? Like
No.
somebody who you're training surpassing your skill?
No.
Why?
I don't know what you're talking about. Are you talking about views? Are you talking
No,
about...
I'm talking about it too.